Okay, so we have a patient who hasn't been onboarded to PatientFi, so we're going to create an invoice. Let's set this up. When PatientFi has been enabled, we'll see the PatientFi option in Payments. Since the patient is not enrolled, we will see this view, which lets us know that if we enroll, this is how low our payments could be. For this invoice, when we click Start Application, we can select how much we want to apply for on this invoice. We can send that directly to the patient for them to complete on their device, or we can complete the process on the provider app. We're going to do that now. This step requires patient authorization, since this patient flow is happening on the provider app and could be controlled by someone who is not the patient. This patient doesn't have a phone number, so first we have this gate to make sure the phone number is there. Once that's done, it sends an OTP request to the patient's phone number. If the patient already has a phone number, this happens automatically. After that, we're taken straight to the PatientFi page. Here, we can select how much PatientFi will offer in financing, not just for the invoice, but in general. This way, we don't have to apply for more if the invoice is less than what we'd like to receive from PatientFi. We're going to max that out. The patient has been approved for their spending limit. This could be less than the amount requested. We made a purchase today for $600 on the invoice that started this process, so we have $600 requested out of $30,000 available to spend. Now we're going to select a payment plan. Since this is a low amount, there aren't many payment plans available, so we'll just select this one and continue. We can also reject the transaction at this point if we want. Now we need to add a payment method, so let's do that. Okay, the payment method is set. We're going to select a monthly payment and continue to the summary page of our agreement. Next, we'll accept that. And at this point, the payment will be approved on PatientFi. Once we go back here, our page will be waiting for an event to hit our webhook service to let us know that the payment has been confirmed. When that happens, we can return to the invoice, and the invoice will be paid in full. We will see a PatientFi payment for the total balance.